You're watching Kids Wonder Playhouse.
F is for fish.
F is for fish. Swish, swish, swim. In the blue water, fins so slim. F is for frog. Ribbit, ribbit, hop. Jumping on a leaf. Plop, plop, plop. F is for flower. Bloom, bloom bright. Colorful petals, pretty sight. F, F, F. What do you see? F, words of fun. Come sing with me. F is for fan. Woo, woo, fast. Cooling the air. Breeze that lasts. F is for fox. Sneak, sneak, slow. Fluffy tail. Off we go.
F is for fish.
F is for fire. Crackle, crackle, glow. Warm and bright. Watch it glow. F, F, F. What do you see? F, words of fun. Come sing with me.
F is for frog.
F is for feet. Step, step, run. Jump and move, having fun. F is for friend. Smile so wide. Play together, side by side. F, F, F. Shout with glee. You learned F words. Hooray it be.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.